Hello, I am Hani and welcome to our Serbian lesson. So for today, we will talk about how to say I like it in Serbian. We got question from the forum about I liked it, how to say I liked it in Serbian. We got it from Mega. She asked about why I liked it is Sviđam se and not Sviđam se. I replied it here, but I separated one topic so that it will be easier to find. The title of the topic is why it's Sviđam se and not Sviđam se for I like it. Let's discuss first the infinitive, which is Sviđa ti se, to be liked or to be liked by. This is how you will construct verb, but if you still don't know how to construct verbs, I have a separate video on my channel, so you can check that there. If you will say Sviđam se, Sviđa se, Sviđa se, Sviđa mu se, Sviđate se, Sviđaju se. If you will add M, which is for I, Sviđam se, it means that I am liked by someone or something, or Sviđa se, you are liked by someone, and so on. So Sviđa se, Sviđa mu se, Sviđate se, Sviđaju se. So remember that. Now, for the subject, we will use dative pronouns. I have also a separate explanation about dative case, so you can check that in my Serbian playlist. Meni or me for to me, tebi or ti to you, njemu mu to him, njoj or joj to her, nama, nam to us, vama, vam to you, njima or im to them. So this is just a review. Now, if you want to say Sviđam ti se, if we will go back there above, Sviđam se is I am liked by. If you will add the subject ti, Sviđam ti se, it means that I am liked by tebi, you. I am liked by you, or you like me. Or we have the longer version, which is tebi se sviđam. So be careful of constructing sentence with this, because maybe you will say different things. Like for example, if you want to say to someone, I like you, but instead of saying it correctly, you will say Sviđam ti se. So that person will be confused, okay, because the construction is that person likes you and not you like that person. So Sviđam ti se is I am liked by you or you like me. But instead of saying that, you will say Sviđaš mi se, which is you are liked by me, or meni se sviđaš, which is the long version. I liked you. You see, Sviđaš se is you are liked by, and you will add this me, which is to me, so you will get this I like you, which is Sviđaš mi se. Now, the question about I liked it. So let's say this Sviđa se, he or she, it or it is liked by. Let's say that this third person is it and not he or she, so that we will not be confused. So let's use this it for this third person. Sviđa se is it is liked by. By what or by who? So if you will add a dative pronouns here, like for example, me, Sviđa mi se, so you are saying it is liked by me, or I like it. You see, Sviđa mi se, it is liked by me or I liked it. Meni se sviđa for the long version. So that is why we are not saying Sviđam se for saying I liked it, because Sviđam se means I am liked by something, by someone. You will say Sviđa mi se because Sviđam se is it is liked by me. I liked it. Okay, so let's pause for now with the explanation and let's do a short quiz for now. First, like a refreshment question for this topic. I wanted to ask you how you will translate this sentence in Serbian. Okay, so let's continue with the explanation. Let's proceed to another example sentences, which is Sviđamo ti se, which is we are liked by you. By you, this is tebi. Tebi se sviđamo. And sviđate mi se is you are liked by me. I like you. Meni se sviđate. Sviđaju mi se is they are liked by me. I like them. Meni se sviđaju, the longer version. So let's go to the original question, which is Sviđa mi se tvoj kupatilo. I added here, I like your bathroom. Why it is not Sviđam se tvom kupatilu and why it is Sviđa mi se tvoj kupatilo? It is same explanation above because Sviđa se is it is liked by. So without this me, Sviđa se tvoj kupatilo is the third person. So that it is the tvoj kupatilo. Sviđa se tvoj kupatilo. And who likes your bathroom? It is many, me. So that is why when I will say I like your bathroom, I am going to say Sviđa mi se tvoj kupatilo and not Sviđam se tvom kupatilu. Because if you will say Sviđam se tvom kupatilu, it means that I am liked by your bathroom. So that is the explanation of the question of Mega. Another example is I like your house. Sviđa mi se tvoja kuća. Sviđa se tvoja kuća is the third person and the person who likes your tvoja kuća is many. You like my house is sviđa ti se moja kuća. You like your house, sviđa ti se tvoja kuća. So that is the explanation of this topic about why it's sviđa mi se and not sviđam se for I like it. So I hope you understand now the explanation about this case. That is for today's lesson and I hope you learned something new today. So see you on my next videos and have a great day everyone.